So today I'm here in Port Stanley in Ontario at Lake Erie, and this is a tourist train station actually for tourist rides, and they have some nice little diesel engines here and some cars here. I will show you. So when we go over here, here is the first one. I will provide a link also to the website of it so that you can look it up and see some descriptions about the entrance. So you will get also information there for these passenger cars here. This is the engine that they call Stanley. Sorry. And this is the nice cars that they have for the tourists. This is the map about the tour that they take. It's about almost 5 kilometers or so that this ride takes. It will be a nice tour for somebody that visits here, Port Stanley. And here they have the other train. You see the sign here. It's called the Murder Mystery on the Train. These are the other passenger cars here that they use. And also at the end they have a caboose here. They have several more engines. I will walk down there if I can see something of them or not. But as you can see, it's a nice scenery here as well in Port Stanley. So it's really worth a visit. Because this river here comes and goes to the Lake Erie. Beautiful. Here also we can see this little engine here from the front. It's a nice little restaurant beauty. As you can see, they have a whole lot of these little diesel engines here. So they start their tours again in springtime at Easter. And hopefully you have a time to enjoy this. I will come again also for a nice ride here. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you will come for a little visit. Take care, friends.